It's your Swiss. That's what we doing? Weezy, what up?
Why must you insist on being so motherfucking much of a motherfucking pussy to a dog, bitch?
Nah, dog.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? I stretch your dog out. Who next to call out? Who left the call out? You catch the fall out. You take the ball out. I get the ball out. None of my dogs can say I left my dogs out. I never dog out my fellow bloodhound. I left it all out there, letting it all out. Go extra hard out there. Ask your dog about me. Little told you baddest dog up in the doghouse. Keep a bad bitch, walk around with my bone out. She swallow puppies, you know we got Peter on the phone now. I make a pussy rain, cats and dogs, ooh, it's pouring down. Gave my dog pound, cause he hit me with a couple pounds. Tell your big dog I break him down to puppy chow. Bah, I left his call out. I DMX and say they never X the dog out.
Here we go. Let the dog out. Here we go. Let the dogs out. 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 Who let the dog out? They let the dog out. Straight out the dog out. Like get the fuck out. Y'all niggas know about making the movie, show 'em out. Careful, what you say will get you punched in your mouth. When it's time to roll out, my niggas is going out. Coming with that hardware that y'all niggas don't know about. Let off and blow 'em out. That's how we show 'em out. Put a couple of bodies on the thing, then we throw 'em out. Serious niggas spit serious shit. When I hear your niggas spit, all I hear is a bitch. When it's time to get active, my niggas getting to it. I ain't saying you a sucker, I'm just saying don't do it. Let the dogs out. Here we go. Let the dogs out. Let the dogs out. Let the dogs out. Let the dogs out. Let the dogs out.